वेल हेलो गौरव सर, दिस इज प्रणय। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कि आपके द वर्ड्स दैट सेल के प्रोग्राम की मदद से मेरे सारे के सारे बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर हो गए कोऑपरेटिंग से रिलेटेड। उसी के कारण मैं एक राइट डायरेक्शन में वर्क कर पा रहा हूँ। मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमें कभी भी किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में हो जाए, पहला क्लाइंट ढूंढने में मुश्किल होती है, पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है। लेकिन उस पेशेंस के दौरान दौरान हमारे सराउंडिंग से दूसरा प्रेशर आ जाता है कि बहुत सारे ऑप्शन से रिलेटेड, like to go for exams, government preparations, and whatever. And how to deal with that, uh, how to deal with that conditions. क्योंकि वो सारी की सारी चीजें सेल्फ डाउट लेके आती है, उसके कारण फिर हमारा जो फोकस एंड कंसंट्रेशन लेवल रहता है काम करते टाइम पे, वो पूरा को पूरा ना के बराबर रह पाता है। उसी के कारण फिर और ज्यादा सेल्फ डाउट आता है। पहला क्वेश्चन ये था। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन कि क्या VSL या फिर AI कॉपीराइटिंग आगे जाके फ्यूचर कॉपीराइटिंग को रिप्लेस करने वाला है 5 सालों में या फिर 10 सालों में? ये दो ही क्वेश्चन है मेरे वाले। एंड थैंक यू फॉर दिस लवली अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्ट विथ यू एंड गेट आंसर्स एंड फीडबैक फ्रॉम यू।
Okay, so Pranay, thank you for asking your questions. The first, let's take it one by one. The first question is, how do you deal with external situations where you are under pressure to perform, and then at the same time you're pursuing your passion as well, right? So the way I do it is, I don't let go, of things which I have to do naturally. I mean, by being naturally in a society. For example, if I'm in a society, then I need to go ahead and live by their norms, right? My parents want me to do X thing, so I have to go ahead and do it. So what I'll do is I'll put in extra number of hours. This I did back in the time when I was doing like in my MBA. So I had to cope up with my MBA exam, but at the same time, I also wanted to go ahead and practically do digital or pursue digital as a forefront runner for my passion, right? So I went ahead and kind of put an extra number of hours while my friends used to go outside, chit chat with other MBA people, used to do internships even for that matter. I forgot, like, I just didn't do all of these things. And even when I was doing internship or while I was just, pursuing my responsibilities, I went ahead and made sure that I'm actually putting in extra hours to make my blog, which was geekotech.com at that time. And the blog still runs today, right? So that has helped me. That's part number one. So you kind of don't deal with it. You do both the duties simultaneously, okay? And you put in extra number of hours. That's part number one. Part number two was about AI, replacing copywriting as a whole. So 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, I can't say it's too far of a question, to be honest. But today, if you ask me, it cannot replace. It's not capable or rather. And then, but going down the line, it may be capable enough to do it. But I just can't really say it. But yeah, machines would not be able to replace all of humans, I would say. But yeah, to some extent, they can, right? To some extent. But then, who has seen 5 years, who has seen 10 years? It's such a long time. And as a skill, it is always going to help you, irrespective of whether you want to write an email to your boss, to your professor, to anybody, to even to sell something, whatever you need. So copywriting is an important aspect which you must learn, right? So that's it. And I hope that helps you.